Hi everyone. So I've been getting a lot of requests about back carrying. I'm gonna do a quick demonstration the Kenyan way. What you need is a long scarf. Make sure it's wide enough. The length should matter that it goes over you, but the width is more important. Here is my 4-month baby. I'm gonna carry him on the back. I start with putting him on my right hip and scooping him to the back. Now in Kenya, you get used to this. You're taught this from a very young early age, and then it becomes the norm. And usually he would sit there still and wait because I've done this for so long. You want to keep feeling how the baby is sitting from the back and make sure not to cover the head. Well, we do cover the head in a certain way when we want to put baby to sleep, but I won't show it in this video. And then what you want to do is tie the front according to how comfortable you feel and how the baby is sitting. Now you see the way I've carried him now, I've put the side where it's on his face a bit higher because I'm trying to put him to sleep. And then you want to use the weight to actually tilt him up and put a knot so it's much tighter. So this is how I do it when I'm taking him off my back. I do the taking off from my left side because that's the side that I'm stronger. Checking that the baby is still sitting in that pouch at the back. And then I just swoosh him to the front. And that's it. So it's all to do with practice. You won't learn this with this video alone, but practice over time and you'll become so good in it. And as you can see, it took me 3 minutes to put him to sleep. I was doing this just to see if he can sleep, and that's all it took. Literally 3 minutes and he was gone, knocked out. I love back carrying. Thank you for watching.